Here we've got a Trimble Earthworks solution on the Kobelo machine. The back here we can see the two GPS receivers that works with satellites and a remote base or a site base. Inside we have the screen, the display for the operator to show him his design, and he's cut in full values to the tips of the bucket. On the boom there's a boom sensor that measures the angle of the boom, and there is a stick sensor that measures the angle of the stick. We go down to the dog bone. There's a sensor there that measures the angle of the dog bone, and the measurements are taken to the tip of the blade. And here we've got a X18 tilt rotator Steelwrist fitted to the machine, and there's a sensor on there as well that measures the tilt angle of the bucket, so you can actually cut that in auto tilt, and makes your life a lot easier.